Look at this. This is the pig type extension. I love it so much. Look at the fullness. The kinky curly. This kinky curly. And let me remind you, ladies, 20 days left. 20 days left before our Chinese New Year. So we're very busy every day. We're very busy every day packing hair for customers. This. Let me show you the fullness. And this is the fullness of the pave type extension. So the ladies, why do they like to buy the hair from us? Because the hair can last very long time, and every day we keep packing hair for customers. This one. And you can contact me. I can teach you. I can teach you how to tell the quality of the hair. Contact me. I teach you, or you can search our tutorial videos on YouTube. We have a lot of videos to teach people how to tell the quality of the hair. Real hair, real 100% cuticle line, healthy hair, young girls' hair. This one. This. Let's get back in. Okay. In the next video, this. Look at this fullness.